So, Senor Nachito, do you sleep better now?
Oh, yes, Laurel. No more sticky notes. No more panic. I feel safe.
Good, because before this, you were loco. You did what everyone does, putting all eggs in one basket. You saved everything on Google Chrome. Hey, if a hacker steals your Google key, he gets your Facebook, your bank, your email. Breakfast is served. Google is just a wooden door, but NordPass is a titanium vault. Don't be an egghead, be a Check the link below for the vault. Protect your eggs, amigos.
Gracias, Laurel. You saved my eggs.
Listen up, you egg humans are slow like Windows 95. You need a super AI brain like mine to survive. Subscribe to Loro Wiki.